Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file and they're trying to put an outline around it. Well, to do that, you've got to go to Object and Group and Ungroup. And then your boundary opens up. But let's set our nudge factor on. This thing is like less than 4. So let's set our nudge factor on 5 inches. And let's select it all and do the boundary tool. And they've got some major leakage. So what I would do in this case, when we'll need to find the leaks, but two, in your drawing, the tree or the tail light should not be seen, so I'm going to take and just delete that. Now, I'm going to make a duplicate of that by hitting plus on the keyboard and moving that over there. That way, if I change anything on the interior part of the car, it's not going to matter. There's a few leaks, like visible leaks, like right there. So instead of going just and fixing the leak, I'm going to go past the leak quite a bit. And I'm going to go past the leak instead of taking the time to figure out where the leak is. I'm going to go past the places that could leak more. Now, later on, we could go and trim these off, but it's not really necessary if we do it this way. So I'm going to go past all the places that could leak. Well, we don't want to mess with that. That really shouldn't leak. And maybe right up here, because I don't want to change the contour. See, there's another definite leaker for sure. And I could have gone through there and found all the leak. Now you can do a little test with the Smart Fill tool and see we still have a leak somewhere. So, the only other possible place could be, would be down here. See, that doesn't look like that could leak, but that could leak. I'm not sure about this dog and all these other parts, but we're going to take the Smart Fill tool. And now we have no leak. So now the boundary tool should work. I'm going to select it all. I'm going to create a boundary. I'm going to nudge the boundary over, and it worked. Now we can delete this one we altered, because we didn't really alter the outside, and then make it a hairline and make it red just so you know it's a cut line. Now, if we move this over, it's right where it was, and you're going to cut that out. Now, my suggestion on something like this, first of all, he's got a hairline there. I would make it red just so you know it's a hairline. And I would contour this just a little bit. I'd go to Effects and Contour, and I'd contour the outside with rounded corners, but just like 0.05. And let's see how that looks. Now, this is just personal preference if you want some wood showing or not. But then just select that so you could change that and make it less or more. Go up to Object, break the contour apart. And then I always take my contour and move it out of the side, because we might have some stuff we don't want to cut out, which is like right there. So if you go and grab your shape tool and just select those 3 nodes, now you only have a contour line. Go ahead and make it red again, and then nudge it over twice, and that is your cutout. Pretty cool little drawing. See, but I didn't change anything really in the drawing, because the one we changed is gone. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.